Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Rajni Sagnani, your English teacher. In last video, I had explained you chapter number 1, Robbie's Railroad. We have also completed new words, write one word for the following and make sentences. Today, we are going to do answer the following questions, write synonyms, write antonyms and textual exercises. So, let's start with answer the following questions. Question number 1. What was Robbie's favorite thing to do? Robbie's की favorite thing क्या थी? Robbie's favorite thing was to watch the trains coming and going outside his window at different times of the day. Now, what was Robbie's favorite thing to do? उसको विंडो के बाहर ट्रेन का आना और जाना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. He likes to watch the train out of his window at different time. Question number 2. Where did Robbie and his mother go in the summer? Where did Robbie and his mother go in the summer? वो समर में कहाँ गए? Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma Ray in the summer. Robbie अपने grandparents के पास गया समर में. Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma. Grandpa and Grandma are Robbie's grandparents. Ray in the summer. Question number 3. How did Robbie feel when he heard the train whistle? How did Robbie feel? Robbie को कैसा feel हुआ जब उसने ट्रेन की whistle सुनी? Robbie felt very upset when he heard the train whistle. Robbie बहुत sad हो गया जब उसने ट्रेन की whistle सुनी. Robbie felt very upset. Very upset means very sad when he heard the train whistle. Question number 4. What idea did Grandpa Ray have? Grandpa Ray के पास कौन सी आइडिया थी? Grandpa Ray had the idea to build Robbie his own train. This way he would not be sad thinking about the trains in the city. Grandpa Ray के पास आइडिया थी, वो उसके लिए उसकी अपनी ट्रेन बना रहा था. जैसे रॉबी ट्रेन के बारे में सोच के सैड नहीं हुए. Grandpa Ray had the idea to build Robbie his own train. This way he would not be sad thinking about the trains in the city. Now we will go to our next topic. Write synonyms. Synonyms means same meaning. The word will be different, but the meaning will be same. Now number 1, idea. Another word for idea is plan. Idea, plan. Number 2, tools. The synonym of tool is implements. instruments. Tools, implements or instruments. Number 3, passengers. Passengers means travelers. Passengers, travelers. Number 4, distance, gap, space. Synonym of distance is gap, space. Now we will do write antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. Number 1, dark. Opposite of dark is light. Dark, light. Number 2, different. Antonym of different is similar. Similar means same. Number 3, interesting. Opposite of interesting is boring. Interesting, boring. Number 4, kindest. Unkindest. Opposite of kindest is unkindest. Cruelest. Now students, you have to answer the following questions. Write synonyms, write antonyms in your English notebook one time. Now we will go to our textual exercises which you have to write in your Canopy textbook. So let's start with exercise B. Mark these sentences as true, T, or not true and T. If the sentence is true, you have to write T. If the sentence is not true, you have to write anti. Number 1. Robbie disliked his visit to the farm from the beginning. क्या पहले से ही रॉबी को फार्म नहीं अच्छा लगता था? No, it is not true. Number 2. Robbie became upset every time he heard the train whistle. Yes, when Robbie heard the train whistle, he became very sad. जब वो ट्रेन की विजिल सुनता था, तब वो बहुत सैड हो जाता था. So this statement is true. So we will write over here T. Number 3. The railway carriage Grandpa built could carry passengers. जो कैरेज ग्रैंडपा ने बनाया था, वो पैसेंजर्स भी कैरी करता था. Yes, you know that कि रॉबी जो था उसने अपने नेबरहुड को भी राइड दी थी ट्रेन में. It means it carry passengers. So this statement will be true. Number 4. Robbie was unhappy about sharing his train. क्या रॉबी अनहैप्पी था ट्रेन शेयरिंग में? No, it is not true. Number 5. Robbie thought his grandpa had given him the best gift. Yes, this statement is true. Now students, when the noun is singular, we use does और does not. अगर नाउन सिंगुलर है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? does और does not. Now look at here. I. अगर I है तो क्या यूज होगा? do और don't. Don't means do not. अगर I है, it is a rule. If there is I, then we have to use do or do not. If it is he, she or it, अगर he, she या it है तो क्या आएगा? does. और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में doesn't. Doesn't means does not. It is a rule. If there is he, she or it, then we will use does. or doesn't. If there is you or they is plural form, then we will use do or don't. Now you understood? With I, do, don't. If there is he, she, it, we use does, and in negative sentence, doesn't. If there is you or they, then we will use do, don't. Now, complete these sentences. Number 1. Sam dash watch films. Now here, Sam is in singular form. So what we will write over here? Does or doesn't? Does आएगा कि doesn't आएगा? Does तो sure है कि does या doesn't ही आएगा. Do or do not नहीं आएगा. Do or do not will not come. Why? Because here Sam is in singular form. So here it will come Sam does not. What will come? Sam does not watch films. वो films नहीं देखता है. He likes to play the piano. Now here we will not write does. Why? Sam does watch films. He likes to play the piano. Here it will come does not. Why? Because he likes to play piano. Understood? Number 2. Aryan dash a lot of reading when she is free. Aryan is also a singular noun. Here it will come does. Aryan does a lot of reading when she is free. जब वो free होता है वो बहुत सारी reading करता है. Number 3. You dash want me to pick you up. Here what will come? Do or does? Here it will come do. Why do? It is here it is you. So here it will come you do not. You do not want me to pick you up. If here we will write only do, then the sentence will be incorrect. You do want me. No, here it will come. You do not want me to pick you up after school. Do you? Here it will come. Do. Number 2. They dash like swimming, but I dash. Now, here it is they. So, what we will use? Do or do not. They do not. They do not like swimming, but I do. उनको swimming पसंद नहीं है, but I do. मैं करता हूँ. Number 5. My cat hates water. It dash like me. Give it a bath. Here it is it. Then what we will write? Does or does not. My cat hates water. मेरी cat water को hate करती है. It does not. It does not like me. Give it a bath. Number 6. It dash look like it will rain. Should carry an umbrella. Here it will come does. It does look like it will rain. Should carry an umbrella. Now students, both exercises, exercise B, true or not true, and complete these sentences you have to write in your Canopy textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.